Hello everyone, this is Bakkappa and welcome to the complete Python tutorial full course for beginners. If you are searching for Python tutorial for beginners, learn Python from scratch, or a complete Python programming course for automation and interviews, this course is for you. You will learn Python fundamentals, control flow statements, looping statements, functions, exception handling, and data structures. And also you will learn about OOPS concepts, file handling, libraries, real-time problem solving, starting from installation to the advanced level concepts. This course is perfect for beginners, students, and software testers who want to master Python in 2026. Start learning Python today. Let's get started.